Do you hear the drone?
Yeah, I think there's a drone about to come through here. So, anyways, it was a good time. Okay, well, we crashed the drone. It sounds like. So
well, for whatever it's worth, I wasn't trying to be mean. She just was mean out of nowhere.
She started with that.
Like I had no idea where it came from.
She started it, but you finished it.
And
then you got eye drops in your chicken
Not a
fried
bad
That
way
steak.
makes a lot of
Like, I
sense
get it.
because I told him on the way home, like, must tell me I'm so sick.
And
then I
they
pulled over and slept for like 2 hours on the side of the road. That makes all the sense now. They eye dropped
They
me.
messed up my order. All right,
got
we
an
got
envelope.
an incoming envelope.
Feels like a trap.
Should you grab this?
Corey, that's all you.
All right.
That breeze feels nice. Here you go.
Whoa. There's no way this is going to set down. All right.
We're all
Jason,
afraid we're gonna get hit.
Stick your hand in there, Jason.
Grab that bitch.
No way.
Jason, grab
What
it.
is it? What is it?
You grab snakes.
Yeah. Okay.
It's Harper Belmont Media.
Uh-oh. This is... I got an autograph from the cornerback. I would like to show. Autograph from the cornerback that...
What's it? His
Show
name's
your
Luke?
camera, Corey.
What was
Yeah,
his name? Luke or
The
Dale?
one next to the front one. The other one. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
P.S. F. Braxton, he's slow.
Let me
I
see
didn't
this.
like that guy anyways, so thought he was.
We got a real autograph right there.
Oh, it's Ryan. I thought his name was Luke. I was way off.
Oh my
He kicked
God.
your ass.
So fucking sweaty.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't, you know.
He was so fast I got confused by his name.
I mean, he beat me in work boots, but, you know, if he don't eat his Wheaties in the next 6 months or however long it takes me to drop 30 pounds on a 100
I feel
shot,
like this is going to turn into a full-on like Jake Paul, Logan Paul kind of thing.
we'll never be that famous, first off. Secondly,
You
Who's
won't.
Greg?
Huh? It was Greg?
Who's Greg Paul in this situation?
Yeah.
I don't know
dad.
who that is.
oh, that's you, Spencer.
Me, probably.
Yeah, you're definitely dead.
Yeah. Well, just bulldogging ladies because they don't like you.
What bulldogging her? She
That's
was mean.
such a dad.
Like, why the fuck
quality,
would she
too.
be mean for no
Anyway,
reason?
We'll
Not
get-
for no reason.
it was not no
They had
reason.
no reason with me. Like, I was being polite.
You're the husband
Yeah,
of
can
the.
you imagine what this looks like having sex? Because that's what went through her mind.
It's awful.
She was mad just
She
thinking
seen
about
the
that.
middle picture and then
just
seen the
like-
cute ass kids and we're like, too much. It blew her top. She couldn't figure it all out. It was sensory overload at that point in time.
She was really mad.
I
and
thought
I was just like,
I thought your next step was asking for the manager.
Oh, there you go.
I was like,
oh, I could have gone full Karen.
what?
Ryan explained it.
Oh,
That does make more sense.
It does. It does. It is a branded card from Harper Belmont. Harper Belmont. It's even got a little QR code on the back. The rumor is if you take a picture of this QR code, I don't know if y'all can do that, but if you can get your phone on there, you'll see a picture of Ryan taking a shower.
Keep it up.
Harper Belmont Media.
Keep it up for.
Yeah, let's get that.
When you need the best video production, Harper Belmont Media is there for you.